want to be in the camera?
It's a big ham. We'll sit there and delay you guys
Flip
now.
the switch by manual labor. There's the guy who did it. Barry. There he goes. Good job.
Yeah, going in the yard, I throw it back and you guys go in the yard. Right on. Should be coming.
When was the last time you did flags on that?
Uh-oh.
That's like outside.
Why do we stop?
Any train coming from South Bend, there's one later on at about 8. Gets here at 8:30, so
Yeah.
we'll leave at 7:50, about 7. The 80, about 8:05, 8:10, something like that. Right, just one right on. But it's, yeah, we got 3 flags on